Hello, marhaba and assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to a new episode of Invest in High-End Projects in Istanbul with your investment guide, Adil Sami. So why I believe this project rams beyond is amongst the high-end project in Istanbul because of three reasons. The first is the location. We are based in Sarıyer. Sarıyer is the high-end location in Istanbul. Next to us is the Büyükderecade. We have seafront here. Second one is the availability. We have almost 150 units available here. And the third one is the most important one is the pricing. So our units are starting from 1 bedrooms up to couple of 3-4 bedrooms and the floor. Starting price is $1 million and a floor on the 30th floor can goes up to $30 million. So I believe this makes my project one of the high-end projects in Istanbul. So now let me take you on a journey and we will talk about the project after this video. So enjoy the video with me. So my investors, now let's talk about what is your why that you should invest in. The first is the location. If you have ever come to Istanbul, you know about Istanbul, or you have planned to come to Istanbul, then Sarıyer is one of the finest locations in Istanbul. It's on the tier 1 we are talking about, absolutely. On my this side we have the second bridge, my this side we have the first bridge, and our project is located in the center of both of the bridges. Okay. The second one is project itself. We are honestly talking about one of the highest, one of the tallest building in Istanbul. It's 52 floors with a rooftop, with a Michelin star, 150 units available, with a shopping center. All the amenities you want in one of the high-end projects in Istanbul, we have available in our project. The third one is the pricing, starting from $1 million up to $30 million. We have 1 bedroom, 2 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms and a whole floor available. So it's all about exclusivity, living in a high-end society of Istanbul. So I believe if you wanted to come to Istanbul, you wanted to feel like a royal, you wanted to feel like a king here, live in a high-end society of Istanbul, this project could be one of your opportunities for you. So if you have any concern, query, you can ask us. So my lovely investors, I believe you know about the project, you know about the location, you know about the pricing. If you have any query, any concern, you wanted to invest here and live in the high-end society of Istanbul in this high-end project, you should contact us and we'll get back to you. And then see you in the next video of high-end project in Istanbul with Adil Sami.